Do you identify as sir, ma'am? Or you could say your pronoun. I don't want to insult you.
It's all good.
Okay. Hey, take a deep breath. We're going to figure this out, all right? So what pronoun?
On August 28, 2022, at approximately 6:15 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to the home of Columbus City Attorney Zach Klein on a call about people camping in his front yard.
I would like to request a police cruiser in Clintonville on Zach Klein's house. There are peaceful protesters there, but they've set up literally, and there goes a cruiser. They've literally set up a camp in his front yard on his personal property.
The officers arrived on scene and advised the protesters that they were trespassing on private property and were subject to arrest. After several attempts to get the protesters to leave, the officers were left with no choice but to place them under arrest. 3 individuals were arrested, 2 were slated at Jackson Pike, and 1 of them was eventually transported to a hospital. So with all that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
Hello? Is there somebody who's in charge of the tent?
Pardon?
Is there somebody who's in charge, who owns that tent? Is it yours?
It's not mine.
No? Is it one of yours? Is that your tent, sir? Is it yours? Is anybody claiming ownership of this tent?
I'm the police liaison.
Okay.
So if you want to speak to any of them or anything you want to tell them, you can talk to me.
Okay.
So the protesters are here right now because of the sweep happening on East Mound Street.
Okay.
So there are some demands.
Okay, that's fine. So here's the thing. The property owner doesn't want them on their property, okay?
Okay.
So now there's a trespass notice. I'll talk to you because you say that you're the liaison to them. If you could tell them, they can just move right over to this piece of grass right here. That's public property, okay? But the property owner of this particular address no longer wants them on their property, all right?
Hi, we want you guys to move to the other side of the grass.
Would you like me to talk to them?
I'll go and talk to them.
Okay. Can you tell them that they are subject to arrest if they don't?
It's not a request, it's an order. They have to go over there.
So they're
and
saying
leave.
that it's in order,
Or they're going to be placed under arrest. for
The
criminal
property
trespassing.
owner does not want them on their property.
they're saying that you will be lit because they are saying that the property owner is saying that they do not want for you guys to be
On their property. You can. We have
their property.
We have no problem with you guys protesting, but this is currently private property that you reside on, okay? So you have to move somewhere that's public, all right? Because the property owner does not want you on their property. You are subject to arrest if you don't comply, all right? That's it. You guys can just move right over. That piece of grass over there is public property. It's a public park, and you're legally allowed to be there until 11 p.m., okay?
Well, they might just need some time to start getting up and everything.
Well, they're not moving. That's the problem. So they're just completely ignoring our commands. So they're not complying. So they need to start getting up, getting their stuff, and going over to a different side, going over to the public property over there. Okay?
Start.
Sir, you have 7611 on your...
For everybody inside the tent, we need you guys to get up.
They'll only.
We need you guys to get up.
Everything that you're saying right now.
We need you guys to start getting up and start
I'm
packing up your property.
They're supposed to be
Well,
acting as their communication.
I understand that,
I'm the
but
police liaison.
they're not listening to you, so I'm going to talk to them directly in hopes they listen to me to avoid an arrest, because we don't want to arrest them. We want them to obey the law and leave this property.
Like I said before, I'm the police liaison, so anything that you want to tell them, tell me, and I will tell them.
And we've already explained it to you, and they're not listening to you, is what I'm saying.
So like I said before, if there is anything that you want to tell them, you can talk to me, and I will say it to them.
Okay.
So is there anything that you want to tell them right now for me to tell
They need
them?
to leave or they're going to be placed under arrest.
You guys have been told by the other officer that you are being told that you must go, or else you must go because you are going to be
Arrested.
placed under arrest.
Thank you.
Okay.
Are you planning on listening at any point, or are you
Is there
gonna
anything
refuse?
that you want to ask them? You can ask me, and I
Ask
will.
them if they're going to comply, if they're going to refuse. Please.
Comply or refuse with what, sir?
The order
property.
to leave the property.
Hi. Are you guys going
We're at
to
23 as student
comply?
copy. We're getting a 10-8, 11-17.
Are you guys going to? Are you guys going to comply? Or will you get off of the property?
They didn't answer you. They did not answer you. So what are they going to do then? Are they going to leave, or are they going to comply and move over here to this property?
Again, I have been told to ask you guys if you're going to be leaving, or if there is anything that you guys need. Do you guys need time? Is there anything that might better communicate with me? Maybe if like you guys just step
No,
back
that's
and
not
give
an
us 3
option.
minutes.
That's not an option. So here's the deal. This is your last warning, final warning. You must get up. You must start vacating the property, or you're going to be placed under arrest.
So, like I said before, because I am the police liaison.
Okay, well,
any
they're not
warnings
listening to
that
you. I need
have
you to
for
stand
them-
over there. This is going to you too, okay? This is private property. You have to leave. I need you to stand over there for me. Okay?
As I said before,
Ma'am.
any warning
Ma'am.
that you give them that is not
I'm
heard
warning
through
you.
me,
I'm warning you right now.
they're not going to listen.
They're not listening
They're going
to you
act
anyway.
like nothing is going on
They're
because
not listening
I am the
to you
police
anyway.
liaison.
They're not listening to you anyway,
So
is
can
what
you
I'm
tell
trying to
me the
explain.
warning again so I can go tell them?
I've already explained it, and they're not listening to you. So what I need you to do to avoid you being arrested is I need you to go stand over there and get off of private property. Once again, the homeowner here does not want you on their property, okay? I need you personally to go over there and stand, or you're going to be placed under arrest.
As I said before, because I am the
Keep an eye
police
on them
liaison,
real quick.
any warning that you guys just said right now will not be seen, heard by them. So the last warning that you just said, because you did not talk to me first for me to tell them.
We already talked to you, and they're not listening
But
to
you did not, what
So-
you just said, that warning you just said, you didn't talk to them, you talked to me.
Okay, this is your last chance. If you do not get up and start moving your stuff over to public property, you're going to be placed under arrest. Okay, all three of you are now under arrest for criminal trespassing.
You can stand up. Come on up.
Place your hands together for me, buddy. Thank you. Move out of the way. Hey, let's go over here. Thank you. We're gonna go down here, buddy, alright? Do me a favor. Interlock your fingers together for me. Makes it easier, okay? I appreciate your cooperation in this situation. Can you scoot your arms back a little? I don't want to hurt you with the cuffs. No, bring them away from your body, buddy. Thank you. It's not too tight, right, man? Okay. Do you identify as sir, ma'am? Or you could say your pronoun. I don't want to insult you.
It's all good.
Okay. Hey, take a deep breath. We're going to figure this out, all right? So what pronoun, so I can address you, or?
Whichever's fine.
Okay, okay. So I'll go with sir. Okay. I'm going to need to get some information from you, and we'll go from there, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to try and be as cool as I can with you. Again, this is the situation. We're going to sort it out, all right? Okay. Let's go over here by that telephone pole to Cruiser 32, okay? Thank you.
You can stand up. Come on out.
Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Under arrest. Do you identify as sir, ma'am?
16104, thank you.
Get everybody outside first.
Yeah. We'll deal with the wheelchair last.
I'm walking out this way.
Well, don't trip, buddy. Keep your feet under you. Come on. Oh, don't fall. There's my heart.
Okay, sir, ma'am.
Is it broke?
Yeah.
Okay, how are we going to move your wheelchair? Can you just talk to us so we can do this the easy way?
Yeah, answer questions.
I'm just trying to, how can we move your wheelchair out of here the safest way possible? Can you help me answer that question the safest way possible so you don't get injured when we're trying to take the wheelchair out? All right, handcuff in the front for now until we get...
Medic?
Yeah, we're probably going to need one. See if they can help us out with the transport.
Sure.
L5. I'm marked on channel 4, but I'm out here with S3.
Okay.
I'm taking your purse off here. Going to check it for weapons. Oh. Actually, this might... Can we push that down? Can we push that down?
The bottom of the tent. Step on it. Watch your head. There you go.
All right, can you guys get it the rest of the way?
Yep. I'll give it out to you.
There we go.
Not a good driver.
All right.
Take it that direction.
There you go.
Can you guys get it the rest of the way?
Yep.
Got it?
5-3.
I'll give it out to you.
5-3.
Take it that direction.
Just respond to Weber and Grasmere. Take us all 10 minutes back in the sub again. Copy.
All right. Flat ground. We don't have anywhere to put her yet. Do you identify as he or she? Okay. Don't have anywhere to put